Hey there, this is Mario Avila at Nashville, Tennessee. We got, this one is our 1979 Scout 2. We'll call this one Harvey. This was our original Scout. We picked it up in Norwich, Vermont.
How long ago?
We picked this one up about 3 years ago. It was a professor from Dartmouth that I picked it up from. He had it out in Oklahoma. He moved up there, and I literally just drove up on it.
So it looks like it's a pretty clean unit.
Yeah, it's not bad.
What have you done to it?
Most recently we did a 2.5-inch lift. We've updated, not much. The interior we did, new radio. That's about it. New exhaust, so we did the whole exhaust from the front all the way to the back.
How's it drive?
It's a champ. We also did an original carpet seat, so we got a carpet that was a donor. But besides that, no, I'm lying. We put a new carb on it, but it's great.
Future plans?
You know, not much on this one. I think at some point, you know, some of the dings and stuff, I'd like to bring it back to the original blue.
This blue's not bad though.
It's not bad. People really enjoy it. But I think the original blue would be nice. And we got some rust, so we did the front.
It's not bad.
Body mounts.
Was it a diesel?
Nope. It was.
I just saw those holes in the fender.
Yeah, you're right. See, not many people know those.
Yeah.
They were. It must have been in the crash at some point.
Okay.
Because the hood, you could see the tag on the hood and this side fender. But
that's a damn nice
Scout.
Scout.
Yep. 345.
Thanks for showing us.
Yep.